Hey everyone, I thought I'd show you something a little bit different this time instead of just my boring driving. I've got a Wilhelm suspension kit on my car, and I've had quite a few problems with it where, if you're familiar, this is looking at the back of the car here, and that's the one of the rear wheels. This joint here keeps moving, so because I've got a lot of force on these tyres because they're quite sticky and they're very wide, what I'm finding is when I hit ripple strips and things like that, this slips because there's nothing stopping this bracket here from twisting. See, like that? So what happens is when that moves, it changes my my wheel alignment, which isn't great. So I'm going to show you something that I'm doing on the other side to stop that from moving. So I've had a bit of a think about it, and what I've done on this side, gee, I'm getting old, can't slide around on the floor like I used to anyway. So what I've done here, so I've pulled the bottom arm off, that thing there, and what I've done here is I've drilled a little hole in here. And so the idea is there, I've drilled that, it's about a 7.5mm hole diameter, and it's probably about 3mm deep. And what I've made here, I've made a little pin, so that's a 7mm pin, just steel, and I've capped off the head just so it sort of matches the shape of where the drill goes in. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put that in there. I'm not going to glue it in or anything like that, weld it in, but I am going to weld it to here. So I'm going to clean all the metal off there, and I'm going to put that in there, just sit it in there and weld it to that bottom piece there, and then that'll stop it from twisting. And I'm going to do that on both sides. So hopefully that will solve my problem, and I won't have to continually be adjusting it and retightening it when I'm at the track. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully, I think his name's Alex, will see this and incorporate this into his design. Or maybe he's got a better idea. It's possible, my ideas aren't always great, but I figure this is a reasonably easy way to stop that from moving. Drilling into there is reasonably easy, just make sure you don't go through too far, and hopefully that'll fix the problem. And here's the finished product on the right hand side. The weld's not very good, but it's better than the other side. That should be enough to hold it in. Next step is to give it a quick coat of paint. And there you have it. Quick coat of paint. And here's the finished product. Can't really see it, the thing, the little pin. It's behind, you can kind of see it there, so you can hardly see it. Hopefully that fixes the problem and it won't move anymore. Thanks for watching.